everybody. So today's video is being done for a collaboration that is being hosted by iShoe's Crafty Kids Club to celebrate Donna's birthday from It's Art by Donna. So I'm very happy to be participating in this collaboration, and I am going to make a birthday cake, a decorative birthday cake, obviously, because I'm making it out of resin, but I'm going to see how it turns out. Before me was Happy Tiger, and if you missed her video, please go back and take a look, and make sure to watch everybody's videos in the collaboration.
Under the lights, we count the night. Color splash life, it's such a sight. Friends all around, the joy is loud. We're creating magic with every crowd. Candles glow, your wishes unfold. Stories whispered, secrets told. Art in the air, laughter we share. This birthday vibe is beyond compare. Let's celebrate the day away. Dance and laugh, come what may. With every stroke and every beat, we make this birthday extra sweet.
And then I'll just go over this with my little nail file. So here's the first one that I have done. It's pretty good. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some hot glue on here just to get these stuck together, and then I will continue on.
Friends like you's making it bright. This birthday's gonna be alright. Hold a paintbrush, grab some clay. Express yourself in every way. Glitter and glue, bring out the new. This party's a masterpiece just for you. Let's celebrate the day away. Dance and laugh.
Okay, so I have some green paint here because Donna's favorite color is green, so I want to paint this green just to give it a base.
Just sweet. Let's celebrate the day away. Dance and laugh, come what may. With every stroke and every beat, we make this birthday extra sweet. Dreams take flight, a canvas of stars in the night. Woke up this morning, saw the sunshine bright. Today's your birthday, we'll make it out of sight. Hope you'll have the best day, dreams take flight. As you blow the candles, make a wish tonight. Every laugh, every cheer echoes in the air. Friends and family gather cause they truly care. Your smile's a treasure, moments we all share. You're a wonderful person, beyond compare. So celebrate now, dance without a care. Chase every dream, live them everywhere. The stars align for you, it's only fair. Happy birthday to you, we're always there.
Okay, so it's the next day, and I am going to demold these. Modeling paste. Mix this in with my paint. I've seen has Lima Maya Art do this before. So if you really want to know how to use texture paste, definitely give her channel a look.
Lights and cheer, another year, we're glad you're here. Friends all gathered, smile so wide, let the party take us for a ride. Presents wrapped in colors bright, laughter echoing through the night. Balloons flying high so free, you light up the world, can't you see? It's your day, let's shout hooray, blow the candles, make a wish. Dance around and join the fun, celebrate till we're your day, let's shout hooray. Blow the candles, make a wish. Dance around and join the fun. Celebrate till we're all done. Dance around and join the fun. Celebrate till we're all done.
This morning saw the sunshine bright. Today's your birthday, we'll make it out of sight. Hope you have the best day, dreams take flight. As you blow the candles, make a wish tonight. Every laugh, every cheer echoes in the air. Friends and family gather 'cause they truly care. Your smile's a treasure, moments we all share. You're a wonderful person beyond compare. So celebrate now, dance without a care. Chase every dream, live them everywhere. The stars align for you, it's only fair. Happy birthday to you, we're always there.
So here is the completed piece. I really think it came out great, and I hope you do too. I want to wish my friend Donna a very happy birthday. And here is my lit up birthday cake in celebration of Donna's birthday. After me today will be Beverly from Custom Created Handmade Crafts. So please go ahead and head over to her channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.